Hello everyone, my name is Enrique Guzman and I'm an RMM admin here at Proval Tech. Today I will be showing you how to create a suspension rule for Intellimon alerts and set it to never expire. Please click the link and subscribe button on the bottom right corner so you never have to miss out on another video. Let's get to it. So in order to begin, we want to go into the Alert Management tab and then go into the Suspension tab. From here, it will show you any suspension rules that you guys currently have that you could always either modify or you could always create one from scratch. For this example, we're just going to go one from scratch. So on the top right, we want to hit Add Rule. It'll give you two options, Custom Monitors and Intellimon Alerts. We're going to go ahead and hit the Intellimon. From here, you just have basically fill in the blanks. We want to give it a name so we all know what we're going to be suspending. For the example, we're just going to put test. And then best practice is to always give a description that you guys know exactly what it's doing. I'm just going to put this is a test for this video. And then next is to select the resources. So we're going to hit select target and you have different options. You can either do the whole company, you can do sites, you can do specific groups, or you can do individual devices. For this example, we're just going to hit the company itself and hit save selection. And then you go down to the schedule. So this is going to show us when the alerts are going to take an effect. So I'm going to go ahead and just put Eastern since I'm currently in the Eastern right here. And then we're going to select the start date. So you can either do start date and time, or you can switch this middle option from now. So this one says at this moment, when I turn this on, it's going to suspend. Now the end date is where you're going to make this adjustment so it never expires. And by doing that, you just hit the at right here and select to never. That way it never expires and it's always going to be running. Now this is an option right here, the reoccurrence, but you don't have to do it if you have this one set to never. But if you just want to be on the safe side and you want to select the 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. every single day, you are more than welcome to do that. Here at Proval, we just leave it as now and never, and that gives us our results. Next is the suspension alerts. So from here, we want to select what we want to suspend. Now you can do individual alerts if you want to do it, or you can do by a whole group, which they call alert families. So for example, I say, hey, I only want to suspend anything that's Active Directory related or antivirus, right? We can select that and it will populate all those alerts into our suspension. For this example, we're just going to do the Active Directory and hit Save Selection. And that's going to put all of the different monitoring in here that you can verify and edit if you guys want. And then you can just remove them by this little pencil if you guys like. From that, you just want to verify that everything is set up correctly and then hit Save. This is currently not going to work for me because we already have a suspension rule for this environment. So it's not going to be able to create two above the other. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge on CWRMM. Let us know what else you would like to see or if you have any questions. Please leave your response in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe.